Well, details coming in a day after the State Bank of India has urged the Supreme Court to extend the deadline till the 30th of June to provide information regarding electoral bonds to the Election Commission of India. Politics has now broken out. This initial deadline for the SBI to furnish all of the relevant information to the ECI was set first on the 6th of March. But however, citing complexity of the task at hand, the central bank has now sought additional time to comply with the court's directives. And now we have reactions also coming in from the opposition side. But first up, Aditi, take us through the reactions, please.
Well, Amita, you know, the INDI camp is launching a scathing attack on the central government as SBI seeks extension. And they say that this should not be provided. And this is what exactly is Modi ka parivar. This is the dig taken by Mahua Moitra. Let me first get you her reaction. You know, this is what Mahua has claimed. She says, SC mandated disclosure of electoral bonds doesn't matter. SBI and Modi ji's only bond that matters, and she has put out a picture saying with hashtag Modi ka asli parivar. Then we have Manish Tiwari from the Congress reacting. He says Supreme Court should not allow the official SBI to get away with this. People before the general elections must know who got what from whom and whether there was any prima facie quid pro quo involved. SC must order lifting of the corporate wheel of SPVs called Electoral Trust to reveal the true identity of the donor. So this is what when SC said that all electoral bonds will be publicly declared. No party can hide who donated to which party. And after that, SBI is now seeking an extension that they will take some time from the SC to declare which party got how much donation from whom.
All right, we've seen as far as the political reactions coming in, of course, Mahua Moitra also from TMC raising that question. But as far as the SBI here is concerned, because the State Bank, Aditi, thank you for that update, calling it as a time-consuming exercise, the SBI, meanwhile, had told the Supreme Court to extend the deadline submitting the details of the purchase of electoral bonds to the ECI, to the Election Commission of India, till the end of the month of June. Now, if we notice, the timeline that has been sought by the time Lok Sabha election process would be over by then. But also, even when it comes to the 5-judge bench, the Constitution bench, which had struck down the electoral bond scheme and directed the SBI, the authorized financial institution under the scheme, to submit by 6th of March the details of the electoral bonds that have been purchased till 12th April 2019 to the Election Commission of India, which would further publish the information on its official website by 13th of March. But here is the SBI, which is now extended and has appealed for more extension of time, because here the SBI goes on to say that it fully intends to comply full with the directions that have been issued by court. However, there are certain practical difficulties with decoding the exercise and the timeline that has been fixed by the Supreme Court of India.